Welcome, Powerful Heart, back to the channel. And today, a mini 5-minute sensory reset to help you ground and find relief from anxiety. So start to arrive here with me and know that if you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and overstimulated right now, this is your reset. So just follow along. And without closing your eyes just yet, taking one deep breath in through your nose, into your belly, out through your mouth, arriving. Going again, in through your nose, into your belly, and out through your mouth, arriving. Noticing your body as you look around the room, around the space you are in. Slowly breathing, slowly exhaling, knowing you are safe here with me. You are safe here with your loving heart. And as you observe your surroundings, as you look through your sense of vision, either internally or externally, name 5 things you can see. Something simple, a color, a shape, a light on an object. Let your eyes gently move here. Each thing you see brings present and the present moment here with us. Shifting your loving awareness back to touch, and once more naming internally or externally 4 things you can feel. Texture of your clothes, the surface beneath you. Let yourself deeply feel each sensation, using it to anchor you back into safety. Shifting once more now to your sense of sound, listening to 3 things you can hear. Something close, something in the distance. Let it bubble and arrive, and open to receiving it. And finally, combining our last 2 senses into one, bring into your awareness 2 things you can smell and 1 thing you can taste. Maybe the quality of your air in your space, lingering snack or food you have just finished. Whatever it is, take these in And with me, all of these senses active, breathing in. And out. One more full, present breath, breathing in. And breathing out, letting go. Slowly, when you're ready, closing this connection with me, knowing that you can always come back into your body, back into your senses when anxiety arises. Thank you for joining me today, Powerful Heart. May you enter back into your day or close your adventure here with peace and love in your heart.